What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2025 BMW 760i xDrive. This vehicle is powered by a 4.4 liter BMW twin power turbo V8 with 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it can do 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. So I absolutely love the BMW 7 Series. I always have, and it's just such a nice vibe in the 7 Series. So luxurious. It's like pure luxury. It has so much presence, and the interior is just gorgeous. Like this one being a 760i, it's very highly equipped. Has like the biggest powertrain too. You know, you have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system. You can see how beautiful those speakers look. So nice. And you have some wood trim in here, and I love this interior ambient lighting with like that crystal look, with many different color options as well. You have a ivory interior in this car, very comfortable seats. You also have a panoramic sunroof. Seems like you have a little camera for your interior as well. But yeah, look at this very thick steering wheel that this car has. It's quite nice. And you have paddle shifters too, of course. So I'm gonna put it in sport. You have the glass controls, which look really good too. And then you have the navigation. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera, as well as a regular backup camera. The leather feels really good, and they're just so cushy. I just love the seats in the new 7 Series because they just feel so comfortable. Really good support for your whole body. And you have this really nice glass buttons for your seat adjustments, which is cool too. And the doors are electronic as well, so that's awesome. Just look how beautiful that door panel looks. I love it. Yeah, you see it, it's electronic. So cool. The wheels are beautiful on this car. You also have the Blue M Performance brakes, and this is like the upgraded crystal headlights. I forgot what they're called. It's like they're more expensive than the regular 7 Series headlight if you want those crystal look inside. Look how stately this car looks. I love it. While it might be the front end of this car might be a little polarizing to some people, I've always loved it. I just love the new 7. I just love the 7 Series. I like the way the new 7 Series looks too, like the new design that BMW just unveiled. But the back of the car is beautiful too. The 760i will give you quad outlet exhausts, which looks sporty. I really like that. And then really nice LED taillights. You have an xDrive badge and a 760i badge. Let me open the vehicle real quick so we can look at the back seats. There we go. Now that is so cool. You also have screens on the doors for like your AC and functions. You also have pillows. How nice is that? And I'm 6'2" with long legs. I can fit back here very comfortably, even with this seat position being my seat position for my height. You also have vents in the B pillar, which is great. And the speaker grills look amazing back here too. This one is not equipped with the theater screen, however, but it is obviously an option. But I love the pillows. You can just lay back here, relax, get some sleep, whatever you want to do. I'm a sucker for executive sedans. I've always loved them. And here's the trunk. A lot of nice space back there. But yeah, I love my 7 Series, that's for sure. And I love BMW, as you guys know. You also have a wireless charging tray over there, which is good. Great placement for that. But I just love this white with white interior color combo. I'm a sucker for that too. I love white on white color combos. I mean, it's hard to keep clean for sure, but if you're take care of your stuff, that's not really a problem. But let's get this car on the road now. Such smooth and effortless acceleration, and the suspension and everything just feels so nice, so soft, but yet it's so fast at the same time, which is what I love about it. Like the way a 7 Series puts down torque is just so nice. Feels so well built and robust. Has a heavy feel to it, which I love. You feel like you really do feel like an executive driving around in this car. god, that's so nice. It's so quiet in here too. What an awesome car. I cannot believe how smooth this car is. It's like I'm riding on a cloud. Despite being such a heavy sedan, it doesn't have too much body roll. The steering feels lofty, of course, because of what kind of car this is, but it doesn't feel lofty in a way where it's unnerving to go around corners or something like that. At the end of the day, it's still a BMW, and all BMWs have sporty driving dynamics, regardless if you buy a base model or the highest end BMW. They all feel great to drive. That's the beauty of BMW. Every one of their cars is a blast to drive. I don't care what it is. BMW knows how to make a fun driving car, and they always have, and I don't think that'll ever change. See, look, obviously it's heavy, but you can still, you know, push it a little bit at a corner. Overall, this 2025 BMW 760i xDrive is an absolute beautiful vehicle. I love the way it drives and I love the luxury it provides. Awesome car right here. Thanks as always to Alex and the team here at Grubbs Volvo for giving me access to drive this beautiful car. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own BMW 7 Series vehicle.